How to convert images to text using Gemini AI OCR, Full Guide 2025. Step 1. Open Gemini and start a new task. Go to gemini.google.com, log in with your Google account, and click New Chat or New OCR task. Step 2. Upload your image. Click Upload and select the image you want to convert. Make sure the text in the image is clear and readable. Step 3. Ask Gemini to extract text. Type a prompt like, extract all text from this image and format it in editable plain text. Step 4. Review and edit the text. Check the extracted text for accuracy, correct any errors or formatting issues if needed. Once the text looks good, copy it, download it, or export it to a document for use in your school projects, reports, or notes.